One of the frustrating things about AI image generation was you could not edit the image without using other tools. A simple misspelled word could take hours to correct. We've added precise image editing to macg, so such changes can be made with a prompt. I've created a banner, but there's a mistake in the banner. The TM is not in the right position, and the S should be a capital letter. Now I'm going to ask macg to fix that. So as you can see, macg has made the correction but preserved the rest of the original image. So here's where we started with the error and a simple prompt. And here's what it provided. Same image, but the TM is now in the right position and the S is capitalized. This kind of editing before was not possible. If you wanted to make this change, the system will give you a different image. With the new feature, you can make more precise image editing. Let's see how image editing works. With images of people, I want to change patient and here we have our new image. Patient has been changed to a female. The doctors are still the same. Here's the previous image. Here's the new one. And most of the elements here are pretty much the same as the original image. Let's try another example that's a little bit more complex. I have created a figure based on this description of the action of B cell targets in the CNS and periphery. But I want to make a change to this just to give a little bit more clarity. So I want to label CXCR3 and CCR6 as pro-inflammatory cytokines and VLA4 as an adhesion molecule. Let's see what we have. The labels have been added. And you can see that most of my figure has been preserved. And in this example, we did not give it the command to keep the rest of the image the same, but nevertheless, it's still preserved. Precise editing also works in slides. So let's see what we've added to help you do this. So you can select from the drop down, either generate a new image, generate a new chart, or edit the current image or chart. I've written a prompt to change the color of the bars. So headache, blue, nasopharyngitis, orange, diarrhea, dark green, and MG crisis, teal. And here you go. It has made the changes that I requested. Now, if you do not like the changes, you can easily switch back to what it was before. And you can go back as well. Let's try one more example. I want to edit this image so that it's a little closer to what is described in the text. Replace C6, C8 with C5A and C5B. Place an X here to show the blockade by eculizumab. And then label this as the membrane attack complex. Now this is quite a few directions that I have given, and I'm not even sure that my prompt is very clear. But let's see what macg does with that. And here you have it. I have my X just like I asked for. This has been changed to C5A and C5B, and this is now the membrane attack complex. I hope this new feature helps you edit your images and charts precisely in your text documents as well as your slide presentations. Give it a try.